Good evening, students. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study about animal quiz from your chapter 15. I will ask some question and you have to reply the correct answer. So the question number 1 is, what is the largest type of big cat in the world? It's tiger. Okay? The largest type of big cat in the world is tiger, and it's weighing up to 300 kgs to 600 pounds. The next question is, are butterflies insects? Yes, obviously a little boy knows it very well that butterflies insect. So the next question is, what are female elephants called? What do we call the female elephants? It's very amazing and interesting both. We call female elephants cows. The next question is, bees are found on every continent of earth except for one. Which is it? आपको बताना है the name of the continent where we didn't find bees. Interesting, right? So that continent is Antarctica. Question number 5th is dolphin a mammal? Yes, obviously dolphin is a mammal. The next question, what is the only continent on earth where giraffes live in the wild? You have to tell the name of the continent, and that is Africa. So the correct answer is Africa. How many pairs of wings does a bee have? It's two. How many pairs of wings does a bee have? A bee have two pairs of wings. So the next question is, what type of animal is the largest primate in the world? Question number 8, it's the gorilla. So the correct answer is the gorilla. Is a shark a fish or a mammal? We all know that shark is a fish. What is most recognizable feature of hedgehog appearance? It's very easy. We can recognize hedgehog by its spines they have on their body, right? Spines of spiky hair. What is the name of an adult female horse? It's a mare. We called it a mare. What are baby goats called? We call baby goat kids. Okay. What is the tallest animal in the world? The tallest animal in the world is giraffe. You know what is interesting about that? The average height is around 5 meters, 16 feet, and the tallest on record stood nearly 6 meters. It's 20 feet. What is most recognizable feature of the male lion? You know what is the most recognizable feature of its mane, right? So the next one is, how many legs does a spider have? A spider have 8 legs. A doe is what kind of animal? A doe is a female deer. The next question is, the crocodile species is believed to have been around for long 2 million years or 200 million years. And the correct answer is 200 million years. Okay. What are a group of lions known as? It's known as prides. Group of lions known as prides. Okay. What food makes up nearly all around 99% of giant pandas' diet? It's bamboo. So the correct option is bamboo. Moving to next question, it is, what is the name of the phobia that involves an abnormal fear of spiders? That is arachnophobia. We called it arachnophobia. Is it clear to all? Moving to next slide, and it's about again the quiz, and it's a plants quiz. So the question number 1, trees are leafless for a shorter or longer season of the year in. So the correct option is scrub jungle forest. Trees are leafless for a shorter or longer season of the year in scrub jungle forest. Oxygen liberated during photosynthesis comes from. Oxygen liberated during photosynthesis comes from water. We all know that the formula of water is H2O, and finally we get O2, right? The next one is split roots are found in. Split roots are found in maize. With which one of the following is Dalbergia species associated, and it associates with rosewood? So the correct option is rosewood. Moving to next slide again. The question number 5 is, which one of the following parts of the pitcher plants become modified into a pitcher? It's a leaf, right? Leaf convert into a pitcher plant, and we all know that pitcher plant is also comes in the category of carnivorous plants, right? Because for getting oxygen they just they just trap the insects in their leaves, and finally they get the sufficient nitrogen. The next one is, the age of a tree can be determined more or less accurate by its counting the number of the rings in the trunk, right? We can calculate the age of a tree by counting the number of the rings in the trunk. Moving to next question, what types of root are hanging the structure in a banyan tree? It's a split roots. It's prop roots. Okay. Fruits of these plants are underground in. Question number 8 is, fruits of this plant are underground in, and that is ground nut. Is it clear to all? So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, like it,